This conference will now be recorded.
We'll go to 3ds Max software. So yesterday we already did this table. Okay, so I'll just remove this wall. I'll go to this selection. I'll select this wall and I'll just delete it. So I don't want this floor also. Later I will add this floor. So just check all the options, everything is there or not. Just zoom it. Sometime what happens if you delete something, if the legs are not grouped means, so it will also see if this is everything is grouped here. So that's why only the floor which I have deleted. So somebody who did only the table, so they have to place like this jug with this coffee cup, something you have to place it on the table like this. Okay. So look at here, which is hided something here. I'll just remove it, these things. Just F3. And you see, whenever some of the things which are inside this, just I'll remove it like this. So what I'll do, I'll go to this living room thing. So I'll keep it this one here itself and I will go to the file. Next options are there. So all the tools we are using till now, that is the standard primitive tools. Next we have to go to the extended primitives, or second one, the tool name is called extended primitives. Okay, everybody is comfortable, right? Everybody can listen my voice. Yeah, all are available in the class. Okay, we'll go to the 3ds Max. So in that extended primitives, we have different tools are there again. So we have tool called Hedra. Okay, so I'll go to this Hedra. So this option, it will come like this. We'll get the sharp shape like this. And again, we have an option here that is called Tetra Cube, and this one star 1 and star 2. Okay, so this is advanced than the compound primitives. Standard primitive, what we have seen in the last class. So this is little bit advanced than the standard primitive, extended primitives. Okay, so here little bit options you will get compared to that. See, star 1 star 2 is there. So if I select anything, you can increase the size of this and you can decrease the size of this. So like this, any of the light designs you have to make it. So that time you can use this family parameter star 1 and star 2. So every day I am increasing the tools. So everybody start to do the assignment from the beginning. Yeah, just now Fatima sent me the assignment. Yeah, even she's also done very well job. Okay, she did a nice chair and table. Yeah, nice work, Fatima. You did a very creatively the table which is having this legs. So you people are very creative people. So easily you people can do this 3D design. Okay, so please come with me from the beginning. So I'm telling everybody. Okay, see here. This is the what is the star 1, star 2 I have taken here. So this is the star 1 and next one is the star 2. See here like this. So any of the show lights you have to make. Okay, any of the hanging show lights, otherwise any show pieces you have to make it, you can use this option. So otherwise we have this basic center sides, any of the changes. So we if we give this reset option, it is changing from the beginning. So if I'll give it this cube again, which are changing from the beginning. Okay, so radius, it is totally increasing and decreasing the radius. Okay, so next we'll go to the other tool that is called chamfer box. So yesterday we are last session we have used in this option for to make the cushion. Okay, so chamfer box is very important tool. I'll take this box and it will take it little till up, and I'll bring it to back. See, it has become like a pillow. So I don't want this much sharp. So some tables which is not having that much sharp things, so that time when we are going to create the sofa, so that time we have to use this chamfer box tool itself. Okay, so chamfer box is very important. So if I'll take this much thick, it will come like this. So if I want to make more soft like this pillow kind of this rounded kind of thing, so I will take it, I'm using left click. Okay, here I'm not touching the mouse, only just moving the mouse. Okay, so how much ever I want, I'm taking. Look at this edges and all, it is becoming smooth here. Okay, if I'll press F3, you can see here chamfer box. So any of the different kind of chairs will be there. Okay, this kind of chair will be there. So with that we have the cushion, only the box will be there. On that we have rounded cushions and all. So that time we can use this option. Okay, so here again if I'll go to here, it is asking what is the length, width and height. So if you want, you can increase the length, width and height. And here fillet option in the sense the smooth option which are available here, that option, that is called fillet option. Look at here, I am just increasing the size, I'm making more soft, and here little sharp. Okay, so everywhere any furniture we are making, it should having all the corners which should be smooth, no furniture having very sharp shapes like this. So we are used here all sharp shapes here. Okay, so all furniture, some of the chairs which are means sharp itself, even some of the furniture which will be very smooth like table and all, so they will give some soft corners. Okay, so look at here all these corners which are smooth here. So yeah, this is the fillet option. So little smooth and sharp. This is completely sharp. This much sharp is not necessary. This much at least you people have to do. Okay. See, this is the thing. How much length and width. And again we have the segments. Okay. So these segments will be there. If I'll give the segments, then you don't get more smooth here. Okay. So we cannot give more fillet here. See, only this much fillet only we can give it. Look at here. Yeah, this is also one kind of pillow, divan pillow kind of things. You can use it with this option. So fillet. So if I'll add segments here, so width segment will be there. If I'll add more segment for this height segment, so then fillet will come only this much only. So fillet will not come so much. Okay, so like that if I'll increase more segments, so if I'll increase height segment, so like 15, I will give 15 height segment, and width again 10 I'll give. Again length will be 10. Like this if I'll add more segments, then so fillet segment, if I'll add 10, still little bit it is taking. So no much changes and all. Segments how much ever it will I will add. So it is taking that much. Okay. So here we have an option cube and box, both the options are there. Okay, so see here asking whether you want a smooth surface or not. So it is already taken smooth itself. If I'll remove it very slightly, you can see the sharp shapes here. Otherwise it will become smooth. Smooth means it will come like this. Sharp means it will come little bit like this. Okay, so this is very important tool. Okay, next we will go to the, see here we have chamfer box option. In that only we have an option called chamfer cylinder. Chamfer cylinder option is there. Same thing, the box we have added. For that, again we have to make the circle kind of cushion, so that time we can use this option. Okay, chamfer cylinder will be there. And radius, if we go to the property window, we have an option called this radius and height and slice on, only how much ever the slice you want, that much. So I don't want the slides. So this is the segments on the cap. Cap means this is the segments on the cap, and the height is there. Okay, so fillet option, if I want the smooth, let me check. I'll give 10. No much changes and all. Sides, yeah, I'll give more smoother shapes. Fillet segments 10. Yeah, can you see everybody? So if I'll give fillet segments 10, so you will get a smooth pillow shapes like this. Okay, we don't have any options. We have to use this only for any of the table, chair. We have to use this kind of circular kind of this thing. So that time we have to use this one. See, it is smooth shape you will get, like this smooth shape you will get using this fillet option, like this. So how much ever you want, if you will take very thin like this, you will get a thinner kind of shape. Okay, so like this. Okay, so mainly for the sofas and bed, so anywhere you have to use this kind of pillows, so that time you can use this option, fillet option. Okay, so like this we can use this option. So later we have to give the texture for this, so we have to add the cloth texture for this, but we have to make the designs, that is only important. Okay, so that is the chamfer cylinders. Chamfer cylinder, when you will take it like this, I'll select it and take it up, and I will come back here. So chamfer box, chamfer cylinder, it will work like this. I'm not clicking any buttons in the mouse. I'm just moving this mouse like this, left and right. If you take it inside, it will come like this. If you take this mouse to outside, so, and I need to stop this, then I will use the left click. Okay, so then I will use the left click for this. See how much ever the fillet segments if will increase, then you will get the smoothness and the sides. So if you give less sides, then you will have a sharper shapes for this. So I'll just give 10. So here I'll just give 7 like this. Okay, yeah, if we give more smooth means we have to increase the, yeah, size and all. So everybody from the beginning, I'm telling you people, you have to check all these options, means you have to from the beginning, you have to check here in the property window all the tools. Inside this only we have many options, so everything you people have to try. Okay, anybody having any doubt with this chamfer box and chamfer cylinder? Anybody? Prashanki, Maria, Safia SM.
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We'll come back to this Corel Draw, sorry, 3ds Max software. So we'll go to the other tools. So we have one more tool called torus knot. So if I click on here, yeah, so such a big torus knot has come. So I'll just make it little small. So this is also torus knot. Some of the tools are useful, some of the tools are, I feel, which are not useful. Yeah, circle is there, okay, but this knot, you people have to tell me where we can use it. See, radius, twist, all these twist options will be there. Okay, so just check all these options. The circle and all, you people know already how to use it. Okay, here in the down we have this property windows. Okay, so just check all this torus knot, just a circle it will come. And next one is the oil tank. Again, for this also, what we have to do, we have to make here down. I'll select this tool and I'll take a round circle like this and I will take it up, and here how much ever it is kind of capsule. So here they given oil tank, here they given the tool called oil tank. Okay, so like that, and here how much ever height we want, so that much height we will get, and the blend option is here. Yeah, so here center, again sides, we can reduce the sides of this, so it will become like this, and height segments. So again slice option is there, half of the things if you want we will get it. Okay, that is the use of this oil tank. So check everybody all these options. Next, capsule. So oil tanks and capsule both are same, both look same only. Okay, so again here we have the radius option, height options, and the sides and all it is there. Okay, again same size options are there, please check with these tools. Okay, and we have the spindle. So you will get an option like this kind of shape. How this tool will work, I will added this option. So I just taken this circle and I'll take it little up and click on here, and I'll come back. So if I'll come back and if I'll use it, I'll click on here, then you will have on this option. Okay, that is a spindle option. Okay, please check with all the options, and inside this whatever the options we are getting here, radius, overall, this blend and sides, all these options you people have to check. Okay, height segments, all these things. Okay, so whoever till now they are not started the 3ds max software, so before Monday, so today is Thursday, so tomorrow you people have class, Friday, so Saturday Sunday you people are free. So I want it this assignment till tomorrow, what I am doing the class, I want all the assignments. Okay, next we'll go to the L axis. So L axis mainly to create the wall. Okay, so L extension is nothing but the wall itself. So what I have to do, suppose I have already created this wall, suppose I want one more wall here, so I will make this wall like this. Okay, so this is my wall with the same height. I'll click here, and how much ever this thickness, look at here, I have to take it front or back, so you will get this option. So when ma'am is doing, you feel everything is easy, but you have to open the 3ds Max and you have to check all these tools. Okay, so what you have to do, so anywhere L extension, so I'll click on here, how much ever the thickness of this wall. Okay, so go to here, come from the top view, Don't go to top view. In the perspective view only, you have to keep it like this, and you have to add the designs like this. It will come like L shape. So later you can increase the width and height and all, no problem. If it is coming very thicker wall also, no problem. You take how much ever the height you want. Okay, so once you will click here, again it is showing like this, whether you have to take it how much thickness and all. Just I'm clicking one more time. So now it is stopped to increase and decrease. So roughly you can add this L extension wall. Later in the property window, you can change it to how much ever you want. Look at here, length. See now this wall, I need some gap to extend this wall. So what I'll do, I'll just go to here. See now, check in the front view. See now this is my wall, and I have to match according to this thickness. So I'll just go to this modify in the sense, here we'll get all the property options here. So here side width, yeah, suppose I want to make here the entrance, or it is going to the living room, so I need to give, I want to place the door here. So I will, how much ever I want, I will take it with that much only. Okay, front length, yeah, so the wall should extend. So whether this much or this much you want it, so you can add that much only. And side width, so side width only, the width of this thing. Suppose you have to place a cupboard here, suppose you want to make a showcase, suppose you want to make place any cupboard here. So that time we need a thickness here, because we can place like this thinner wall, we cannot tell it is a cupboard. So we have to place a cupboard here, means we have to uh, take a thickness for this, correct? So what I'll do, side width, so how much ever you want you can take it. Okay, so if I want, suppose you want to make a puja room, so that time also you can make the thickness like this. Okay, so I have given like this. Okay, so I want to make some showcase or something, otherwise I'll make it as a puja room. And front width in a sense, this thickness, again it is saying how much thickness you need. So click on this, and 5.2 is this wall width. See this yellow color wall is having 5.2 width. Again I'll click on this, and here also I will give the same thing only. Front width is 5.2, so which I have to match with this other wall. So this wall, and the height you can do the changes like this only. The height I want to do the changes. Otherwise, you can select it like this. Manually, the height is 80. Here also, the height is 79 is there. So I click on this, and 80 I will give. So this is roughly I'm doing now. Next in the future class, you have to do it according to the plan. According to the AutoCAD plan, we have to make the designs. Whoever not did the plans in the AutoCAD class, they have to ready the plan. Okay, so then according to plan we have to create it. So in the 3ds max class, you have to work with the AutoCAD also, and you have to work with the even 3ds max also. I will follow whoever did the assignments in AutoCAD. So you people have to send me the AutoCAD plans also, and according to that we have to make the 3ds max design. Okay, so please try in the AutoCAD to make the plans, house plans design. Okay, okay, so like this, just zoom it and check whether everything is placed properly or not. So here in the top view, I'll go to here and I'll check. So perspective view, so it is placed properly. So like that we have this called L extension. So here we don't want any segments and all, so when we have to add the segments, So we need some racks, any of the showcase we have to make it. So that time we have to make the segments. So let me show you people. If I'll add 5 segments, look at here. So like that. So any of the segments we have to divide the wall. So we have to make some of the designs and all. So that time we have to use it. So like this, height segments, add 5. See any of the showcase designs we have to make it. So that time we have to take the reference of these lines and we have to make it. So I'll just keep it 0. Keep it 0 in the sense always it will come as 0. Go to this selection tool. So and the wall standard size should be there because it should not look too tall, and the dining table should not look very short. Okay, so like that. So next we'll go to the one more tool called Gen John. Okay, so this is also one tool, so which is same like the tool which we have seen. Okay, so we have the sides options are there, and we have this radius options are there. Again, for this also we have this fillet option, smooth options will be there. Okay, so like this, fillet segments, all these things just you people have to check very quickly. Okay, next what we'll do, we'll go to this option. L extension is over. Next we'll go for the C extension. C. So before it is coming like L shape like this, now it will come like a C shape. C shape in the sense, so it will come like this shape. Yeah, so the complete house it will come as it is. So we have already have this design here, so we have to match with this shape only. So I'll just always you have to keep it like this top view. Otherwise if you keep it somewhere here and all, it will not come properly. So always don't go to the top view directly. So you in the perspective view only you have to keep it like this, and you have to click on the C extension, and I'll check wherever I want. Okay, so later you can rotate it, no problem. So how much ever you want, so you can rotate this one, and thickness also like this, how much ever you want you can add the thickness. Okay, yeah, just I'll go to this top view and join to this wall only. Okay, so thickness of this wall, everything should be proper. So even height, I click on here. What is the height of this? 80.0. Again, if I'll go to this property window here, again here 80 is the height, and thickness of the wall. Width is 5.2. Here it is, width is 9.3 is there. So 5.2, let me check where it is changing. Somewhere it is changing here. Side width, front width, look at here. So any wall, so separately they given the different walls having different so when we have to make the cupboard here, so this full wall I have to make this cupboard design. So that time I have to make separately, I have to make it as a wooden texture. So wooden designs and all we have to make it. Otherwise no need to make inside completely box, we have to add it, and no need to make it as a cupboard. Only the doors we have to place it here. So okay, only the doors we have to place it here. So what I'll do, I'll just take, this is the back width, and Here this is the front width. So whichever the walls you want to make the cupboard designs or TV unit, any interior designs you have to make it. So that time you can increase the thickness of that wall. Otherwise, we are showing we can show here some wooden designs we are making here. Wooden showcase, otherwise wooden cupboards, otherwise any wooden designs we are making here. We can show it like that. Okay, and here look at here back length. So suppose this house model is increasing here again. So if we'll think this is a living room, so that time which is going to extend like this. So that time we can make it like this. And side, look at here. So if we have to increase the height and width of this, and which is increasing like this also. So that also we can make it. So from the outside it will look like this. Okay, so we can make it as a kitchen here on the right side. Okay, so dining hall and kitchen, this space we can make it. So this is, I can place sofa and all here with the living room in this, but I want this length is increased so much. Yeah, I want the entrance for this in the top view. We have to give the connection. So now, which is opened here, completely opened here. So this area is completely open. So like this, we have to, that is with the C extension. Anybody having any doubt? What is C extension and L extension? Anybody? Safia SM? Tell me what is C extension and L extension. What kind of designs we will get? Safia? Kulsum? Anybody? Maria Joshita? Anybody can tell me? Husna? What is the difference between C extension and L extension?
L
Juveria?
extension is L-shaped wall and the C extension is the C-shaped wall.
Okay. So we can change. Suppose we want to make it as a L extensions to C extension. So how to do it? So now wall is in L shape. Husna, tell me how to make. I want to make it in L shape with the U extension. How to make it? Anybody, Kulsum? Again, single wall we can add it for that, right? So how I added, if I have only L shape, suppose I want
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more extra shape for that. So just we can add one box and we can take it a little up, that it will also become as a single wall, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we don't have C extension, L extension, so that time we created everything with the box itself, right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what about Maria Joshita, Shreya Agarwal? Anybody having any doubt? In AutoCAD, who had created the house plan?
I've created it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I've done it, ma'am.
okay. Only two girls are did in AutoCAD plan.
Ma'am, I too have done it, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So everybody have your house plans, right? So please try to do according to that itself. Tell you people how to do it. So, but keep it in mind, like how you made a plan in AutoCAD. So, like that only you have to place the image. Suppose you have made the dining area and you have made this. Living rooms and all, so according to that only you have to create the interior designing. Okay, so we have this 3D. So according to that plans only we have to create the designs. So from outside also it should look good, and inside also we have to make the plan. Okay, so outside at least it should look like a single floor or a double floor. Okay, no need to create for the second floor interior designing and all. Only the ground floor we have to create the designs. Okay, so at least some two three things should be there. Like kitchen, if we are not able to do it with a heavy work, okay, minimum work we have to do it. Okay, so table, chair, and all this cot, bed, and this cupboard designs. Okay, so all these things we have to add step by step. Look at here, this living room, the sofa cushion. See, look at this. This is done with the chamfer box itself. Chamfer cylinder is there. So with that only we have created. Can you see everybody this one? The showpiece with which tool we have created? Hedra. This shape only we created this design. So look at here. This is the showpiece we have done with the Hedra shape. Okay, and this kind of light we have to create it. And look at the showpiece on this table. Okay, so everything with this Hedra shape itself. Okay, so you can keep some of the showpiece also here. Okay, so yeah, we'll go to this tool. See front width, if you want how much ever you can make it. And suppose if you want to make the TV unit here, suppose you have to make the window here, so we need a little thickness. Back width. So if we are making TV unit here, otherwise here we want TV unit here. So here it is, we are making TV unit, and making the living room like this. So that time we have to place the window or TV unit things and all, we have to use it. Okay. Okay, we'll come back for that, no problem. Later also we can increase and decrease the size of that. Okay, so we'll go to C extension modify tool. So whenever you are adding the design, one more time I will show you people, because only some 4 students did the 3ds max design. I don't know whether they are started opened or 3ds max or not. So these are the tools are very difficult. L extension, it will not come. You have to keep it your screen like this. If you keep it somewhere like this, rotation like this, it will not come properly. So always I'm telling you people, so when you are doing the design itself, you have to keep it near to this design. Okay, you have to, already we have created this table design, so near to this only we have to make it here only. So here only you can make the design like this. Roughly you can add it how much ever you want. So I had added this L shape, and I will take it little up, and see how much I am not clicking anywhere. The mouse only I'm just moving front and back like this. Okay. So like this we want to do the changes. L extension. So how much ever you have to change the wall wherever you want to add it. Go to this top view, and see, suppose you are placing the door over here, so you can give little gap. How much ever you want, you can give little gap. Okay, so you can do the changes. Okay, so I have given this little gap wherever I want. Okay, so this is in the top view. So look at the height of this wall. this height in the property window 80, and here it is 95, so I'll keep it 80. Like this we have to do the changes. Okay, so like this we can do the changes. We have to make the entrance everywhere, so which is going to some other place. Okay, so like that we have to make the extension of this house. Okay, so like that. So next one we will go to the ring wave. So ring wave, the tool is like this, which you can use it as this carpet or any simple designs. Okay, so there is no much difference this year. Only the radius option we have, and radial segments are there, and we have the sides are there. So you have the sharp shapes, and you have the smooth shapes are like this. Okay, and sides will be there. Yeah, thickness, if you want any thickness of this design, okay, only you have this design. Okay, height segments and width segments, all these options are there. Please check all this option. Yeah, again you have this option, radial options are there. So these are the designs, you can make it. You can use it as on the dining table for the mat. All these designs you can use it. Okay, some designs you have to create it, so that time you can use it. Okay, so that is called ring wave. Okay, next one, hose. So hose is very important. Whoever created the table, so with the designs we need the legs for this. Okay, so we want to create the legs for the table, chair, or sofa, so that any pillar in front of the house. So those are the designs we can create. It is hose. So hose and chamfer box and chamfer cylinder, L extension, C extensions are doing lot of work. We can do it lot of work with these tools only. So here, this hose, what you have to do, you have to make like this circle. I'm always using left key, and I will take it up, and how much ever up you want you can take it, and you have to click over there, so it will stop. Okay, so how much ever the upper you want you can take it like that, and you can click on that, it will get stopped. Okay, otherwise in the modify window, so here we have multiple options are there. One is a free hose and bound to object pivots. Okay, if we'll do the values changes, then only you can see the difference. Look at here, free hose parameter. I'll just height, how much of the height you want, you can make it. So whoever not created the table and chair till now, so what you people have to create, you have to use this one for table and chair. Okay, see here, this is the option, starts, and any wooden furnitures, any wooden interiors for staircase, railings, and here with this pillars, all these options we have to use this option. See, you will get some designs. If you don't want multiple designs means we can take only this much. So this is also one pillar. Yeah, diameter, how much ever the diameters I want, I will take that much only. So this is the diameter. Cycles, and the sides, the segments, all these options we have. For the tables, everywhere we can use this option. And yeah, so all the options you people can try. For this only you can add the tables. And again we have two different options are there here. Hose shape, here we have round hose is there, and rectangular hose will be there, and D section hose will be there. Okay, so this is round hose or we have already taken, and we will go to the sides. Next one is the rectangular hose, so which is coming with the rectangular shape. Okay, so any house you have to make the this design, these two pillars. Suppose I'll go to this top view. I'll just reduce the size of this diameter. This much diameter will be there. So we have to reduce the radius and all. Okay, segment starts, ends, diameter this much, and ending will be, I'll make it very thin. Just placing like this only for time being. I'll just take the duplicate copy of this again. So for entrance, house front, or you can create it. And here again round hose means it will come like this round shape. Okay, rectangular hose it will come like this, and the rotation, it will rotate like this. So it may be, if you don't want the straight like this means you can keep it like this. So this is the rotation. Okay, next it is a D section hose. D section hose means, so you can see the D shape, like 75% it will come the shape. So here complete shape is there, complete square shape is there. Here it is not square also, not circle also. D, it will look like D from the top view. See, look at here, this is D shape hose. Any designs we have to make it from here to here, so that time we can use this D shape hose. So I'll take the duplicate copy of this. Again, if you want to rotate it like this, the D shape should come. I'll go to this top view. I have this rotation option again. It's the rotation option. Yeah, look at here, rotation option is there. I want to rotate it like this, both the shapes. So click here and check how much I have given the rotation with this. So everywhere values are very important. So rotation, I have not given any rotation here. So because however it has come like that only. Sorry, this is the diameter, and this is the rotation. Like this option will be, any show designs we have to use it. So that time we can use it as a hose. Otherwise, any wooden sofa, wooden tables with the different legs, we have to make it for the chair. We have to make a different leg. So that time you can use this hose options. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt? Sharoon Celesta, what is the use of this hose? Maria Joshita, can you tell? Aditi, anybody can tell me what kind of designs we can create it with the hose tool? Kulsum, Aishwarya Reddy, anybody can tell me? No problem. Aishwarya Reddy, what kind
Ma'am,
of
could you
design?
repeat that? I have net issues here. Could you?
Okay, using the hose tool, what kind of designs we can create it using the hose tool? Hose. Just now I teach the hose tool. So what kind of designs we can make it? You can type it in the chat box. Okay. So somebody told me what kind of. Okay. Okay. Creating the pillar. Okay. Creating the this thing. What is that? Legs for the table, chair, all these things. More than that, what we can create? Other than this, what else we can create? That's something we don't know. So nobody don't know. So what else we can create it? Anybody? Vrushanki, you people have to think. Aishwarya, you were not able to hear my voice. Yeah, Vrushanki, tell me.
Ma'am, I wasn't able to hear you,
Due
ma'am.
to
Why? What happened, Aishwarya? Aishwarya, is a net issue from your side or my side? Everybody facing this problem? Only Aishwarya? Rushanki, you are able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am, now I can hear you.
Okay. Before whatever the class I have taken, you are hearing, right? Whatever the things I have taught you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So okay, Vrashanki, tell me what else we can create with this host tool.
Ma'am, we could create different pillars or some lamps that need a long pole or something to support it.
Okay, fine. I'm just checking all are there in the class or not. Okay. Oh yeah, only that much only we can create it. Staircase, any wooden railings and all we have to make it. Otherwise, wooden poles and all we have to make it. So that time we can use this option. Any designs we can use it. Okay. So next we have an option called prism. I'll click on here. So we have an option called prism. This is with the triangle shape. We will get this prism option. And again we have side length and length 1, length 2, height. Okay, so these are the options which are there available. Only that thing only we can create it. That is the use of the prism tool. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? This complete extended primitives. full tools. Anybody having any doubt, please let me know, who are not able to hear my voice. Anybody having any doubt? Extended primitives. Okay. Yeah, tell me, Husna, what happened? What is the doubt you have? Okay, okay, fine. So some students, they already practiced with the standard primitives. Okay, today I have completed extended primitives also. So we have to use these two options and we have to create the designs. Okay, next we have to create the windows. We have option called doors, windows, and we have options called staircase. So multiple options are there. So I want for next Monday, before Monday, I want all the assignment. I want like this living room, and I need a table and chair and the light. All these options I have to make it. You people have to make it all these options. Okay. So I will go to this extended primitive and I will go to this chamfer box. I'll try to create sofa. See, not this much segments are not necessary. Okay, if I'll add so many segments, so I'll get very smooth shape. What I will do, I'll click on this chamfer box and I'll check it here. I'll just make it everything zero, just a zero. If I want to make it smooth means, so again we have to segments, we have to add it how much ever we want, and fillet segments we can add it, so it will become smooth edges. I'll come out with this wall because the walls are disturbing, because if we select this wall, somewhere it will select. So fillet segments are, if I have to reduce the smoothness means, otherwise we have to add it like this fillet segment. Now what I'll do, this is the base of this sofa. Next I will go to chamfer box, again I'll take one more and I will take this box. I'll make a soft shape like this and I'll go to this top view, and where is my, here, W, perspective view, how much ever the thickness I want. I'll just use this R. So in the top view, W, So it should come 3 at least equally. So I'll just use the shift and 1 if you create it properly. So then we can add 3 of this. So once we'll give the texture, it will come properly. I will take the copy of this same thing. Shift again. See, duplicate, taking duplicate is little difficult. You have to select this arrow mark and you want, see why I'm selecting red color, because I want the duplicate copy of this one on the back side of this shape or else front side of this shape, not in the top of this. If I will take this top of this, easily I cannot rotate it. Here also I can rotate it, but if I'll take it like this, easily I can rotate this one. So it will come like this, and near to this only I'll just rotate. Okay, using this E, I have to make the rotation like this slightly. I have to make this directions like this. Okay, so I'll use this R and I'll just reduce the thickness of this. Otherwise, go to the modify tool. Here we have an option length and width, and how much ever the width we want. So that much only. The thickness and all, we can reduce it like this. Okay, so then we have to join it how much ever it is possible. I'll just join it. Otherwise, I'll keep it here. Suppose we have to make the cushion. The back side also, if I have to make the cushion. See, better go to this manual option, height. Okay, so here I can place the cushion. I can make it more thinner. This one not necessary. We are adding the cushion. So what I'll do, I'll press shift. So I have to select everything and I have to make it group. So I'll use control. First one object I will select, and again I use control and control. So 3 shapes again, it should go back of this. I'll go to group, control G. Now I have grouped this. Others group. There is an option called group. So just go to group somewhere like this only. Then I will take the copy of this. Okay, I'll take the copy of this. Just give OK and rotation. You will press E and the rotation like this. So you want to make it, this is a very simple design I have made it. So I'll just reduce the height of this. You can ungroup, don't make it ungroup and do it, because all the cushion size we cannot do the changes. So like this we have to do the fast work, means we have to make the group, and one design if it is come properly means we can take the copy of that only. So I'll just save this file, because we have to continue for next class. So that's why you have to save always the file. Why? Because 3ds max sometime system may get hang. Okay, so that's why I'll just keep it like this. So you have to check all the options which are joined or not. Even this side also we have to make this little bit slant. I will make it, and I will make it joined. Okay, so otherwise this part it will look like floating in the air. Okay, so just little bit, even this also, how much ever the comfort you want. So just slant it that much. Okay, zoom it and check each and everything. So whether everything is, there is a gap somewhere, or whether everything has come properly or not. So I have used the chamfer box. Okay, everybody, I have used the chamfer box itself. Only for this wooden box we need, suppose we need the smoother shape. More than this we need the smooth shape means, so we have to add the fillets should be more. Okay, so like that, if we need the sharper shape means no need to add more fillets and all. Okay, so again I want to legs, I will do it later, so otherwise I'll do it like this only. I'll just take a box and I'll take it like this. So look at here, I have added this design. So how much ever you want, smoother here this shape, so that much you can give it like this. You look at the smoother shape, and yeah. So some sofa designs which is coming smoother shape like this. Look, let me check the design. So we have this sofa design. So this is a different shape, which is only one side it is bending like this. We have to use the advanced tool option for this. Even anywhere we have to make the bend and all means. For that we have to go for the advanced option. Any curve shapes and all we have to make it. So this pillow is totally this curve shapes are added for this, more curvy things are there. So we will go for some other sofa designs. So we have this, yeah, we have this 3D sofa designs. Look at here, the same thing only we did it. Okay, and here the thinner sides armrest we want. So like that, how much ever we want we can add it. So look at here, the pillows and this armrest will be different. Okay, next time I'll show you the better quality image. Okay, we will check with this. Suppose you want little square and wide, this thing we want, it means we have to keep it like this only, little smooth we will add it. Okay, now I'll take the duplicate copy, and the same thing it will come as a leg also, it will become as a leg also. And if I want, I'll just increase the height of this. You look at here, the standard size, standard height will be there. Okay, so I'll increase the height of this, and till here it will come width, length, thickness, how much ever you want. So it will come like this, and the height. Okay, see, if one design is finalized, then I'll take the copy of the same thing. What I'll do, I'll press shift and I'll take the copy of this. Alt and middle mouse button. Sorry, everybody. So we have to do some changes here also. It has become totally went back. We have to make this cushion little straight. Okay, we have to do some modification here also. Okay, so we will do it in the next class, all these modifications and all. Okay, anybody having any doubt? I'll just save this file. So now I have to do some correction with this, and we have to place it in the living room. Okay, anybody having any doubt?